Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself, like my previous videos. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more request before moving towards our video, that please, if you really like my design ideas, don't forget to like my video, and please make a habit of leaving your comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in my new upcoming videos. So friends, as you could see that the entire video is showing you a very beautiful, classic, stylish, elegant, unique and a very easy to make hand embroidery patterns of dress designs. Yes friends, you can design your dresses, kurti, shirts, kameez, frocks, gowns, t-shirts, sweatshirts and many more creative type of uppers or tops that you wear on daily basis usually. So all of these design ideas are very simple, easy to make, with a very beautiful, unique blend of extremely eye-catchy color combination of embroidery patterns have been used, so that by designing these design ideas and following these patterns, your dress would look extremely designer style. And if you want to get more creative, stylish design ideas related to hand embroidery, hand art, fashion designing and girls fashionable accessories, then do watch our videos on daily basis and stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, meet you soon with a new video in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.